Y'all, good morning. I look a mess, but look, y'all. It's snowing again.
Let's go to the stove.
Oh my God. Today is Thursday, February the 18th. It is snowing again for the third or fourth day. I don't remember, but oh my God, it's snowing again. People are losing power, people's water. We have my brother on the line. He has low water pressure over there, but he's all the way north. This is crazy. This is an outrage. What did Messiah say yesterday? This is ridiculous.
What is that?
Oh, it's snowing again, guys. I'm Ari. And this is our life. Okay, y'all. So, we're about to go to the store. Like I already told y'all, it's snowing again. It's snowing again. It's less dangerous, I feel like, because yesterday it was super icy, and literally over the ice in the yard there was over the snow in the yard, it was like a layer of ice. Like you would literally be crunching down on ice, breaking ice every step you took. So it's a little less dangerous. That's good. However, I know people are still losing power. People still don't have water, losing water. Yesterday when we went to Walmart, the store was basically empty when it came to milk, eggs, bread, fresh meat, or raw meats, and fresh produce and stuff like that. They had, of course, cans, box cereals and everything, but this is crazy. So our prayers are definitely going out to everybody that is in need right now, everybody that is suffering right now. We are praying for you all. Everybody, I need y'all to comment down below, drop some prayer hands. Comment down below, hashtag Texas Strong, because we will get through this together as a team. We are Texas Strong. And that is one thing that I have been seeing. Everybody has really been coming together when it comes to that. I've been seeing ads on Facebook, or not really ads, but posts on Facebook. I have a 4x4. I'm making a store run. If y'all need anything, let me know. No charge. And that's awesome, because it's just good to see people come together. The government ain't helping us. Let's be honest. Nobody's really doing anything. So the fact that we're helping each other, it's amazing. Y'all comment down below, Texas Strong, y'all. For real. It's up. So if I didn't already say this, we are on the way to the gas station again real quick. Just grab some little drinks, grab some ice, and grab some other things real quick, and then we are coming back. And so we'll have another snow day vlog, of course. I'll keep y'all updated on everything that I find out. As far as today goes, I don't know how long this weather's gonna last like this, but the fact that it started snowing again after it stopped snowing is already eesh. So we'll see. But y'all stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications so that you're notified when I upload some new videos. Alright? Y'all just keep on watching.
Peace.
See, these roads, they look a lot better today. They look a lot better. They're not as slick as they were yesterday, which is good. It's pretty though. Still pretty, but we can live without all that. Child. Trell, do you like driving in the snow?
Yeah, it's like skating.
You still on that? Didn't you say that in the other day on the other one?
It's the same. It don't change. Look, I can hit the brakes right now. I'm gonna slide all the way down.
Well, let's not do that. Oh my. For real, cause it's like ice. Yes, ice under the snow still in some places. All right, so this is the first store we're gonna go to. Hello, how you doing? Alright, so see, they still have a lot of stuff at this store. That other store would have been cleared out, no cap. Their chips at the other store is all gone. They're starting to get cleared out, but they're not cleared out yet. This is crazy. So the Big Red is 2 for $3. I mean, I would think all of the bigs are. I have a peach. No, we don't need no more chips. That's all we needed. See, that's the thing. We went to the grocery store yesterday, and we had already hit the gas station the other day and got like a lot of chips. So, ooh, oh, they donuts are gone. Trail had found some really good donuts the other day, like Hostess brand or something. They were so good, but the donuts are gone. You talking about the donuts? I don't have them. So we are on to store number 2, of course, the QT. Let's see. Yeah. See, there's nothing. Yeah. So hot foods. No food right here. Yeah, they don't. They have wine. And there's beer, but obviously we don't want no beer, so we're gonna pass up on that. Yeah, no, there's nothing here. So, bars. Okay. Oh, let's ask about. Oh no, but they got all of that taped out too. Okay. Well, that is that. And there's that. Okay. They got all the pots and drinks off. So that's that. I guess. Alright. I guess we're out. That's it. See, we're having the. So we have to boil our water. That means no fountain drinks, no ice, all that stuff. All right, let's do it. Okay, y'all, so we made it back from the store. I'm about to go up here and see what Saya's doing. I just made him and Trellis some oatmeal and some toast. So let's go see what he's really doing up here. Okay, y'all, so I was just in here kind of cleaning up the kitchen a little bit, and I decided to make some tea. I just opened this package literally, and let me show y'all. Value iced tea. It tastes really good, lemon flavor. But I mean, did y'all forget to put it in or what? Because I'm like, you gotta peek over the top. Y'all know y'all wrong, Great Value.
I'm trying to wipe it off.
Are you trying to wipe it off? What you got? What's that?
This is yogurt.
Yogurt? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? There you go. That's how you wipe it off. Look at these big boys eating their oatmeal and toast. It's good. That's a big boy there.
I'm not taking this, flipping it like that.
What? Okay, guys. So Saya's still up. We're getting ready to go night night, y'all.
Where?
This
I
storm
go.
this storm is
Say
ridiculous. Like I
Where's behind my trailer and my truck?
like I said earlier, today's Thursday. I think it's gonna be the last day of the storm, or I'm guessing. From what I understand, a lot of people are grabbing power now. We're just under the water boil ban or whatever it is. So we just have to boil all the water because of the pipes. They got busted, with the city or whatever. But for the most part, I think everybody's getting power back. Some people don't have heat still. Y'all, pray for Texas. I was just looking because I'm like, I think that there's like stuff going on in California. I think there's something going on in Wisconsin and in California. I'm not sure. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if there's, if this winter storm is hitting other places other than Texas. But I know is tearing Texas up. Seriously, there's like, I feel like almost 100 people that I've heard. Almost 100 people reported dead. Like, it's ridiculous. Not to mention, where's our senator? He was in Mexico hanging out. So it's all just ridiculous, y'all. Let's just be honest. But what I did see was people coming together. I saw people banding together, and it was great. Watching people literally pull over and help give people that were stuck in the snow, help get them out. And I saw people on doing ads on Facebook like, I have a truck if you need a ride to the store, if you need me to go get gas, if you need a ride, giving rides to the store, giving rides home. Like, these people were coming together. Yeah. These people are coming together, and I think it's amazing. Like, it's absolutely amazing. Y'all, stay strong. Down below, comment down below. Prayer hands, hashtag Texas Strong, hashtag prayers for Texas. Like, y'all, prayers, for real, prayers. I just want to say thank y'all for watching these videos. Like I said, thank God we didn't lose power or anything like that. I am so grateful. Glory be to God. And I'm just grateful that y'all came to tune in and y'all are watching these videos. Y'all, please be sure to smash that like button. Y'all comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.